Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing a review of an automatic blood pressure monitoring, which is a model number of HEM7120 and which is a product by Omron. And in this video I'm going to be telling you whether you need to have such kind of an machines or such kind of a small monitoring devices at your home, or what are the advantages of having them and what are the disadvantages of having them. So let's start the video, and I have already unboxed it, so it's completely empty, this box is. So I'll just keep it on the side and I will tell you all the things which comes through this. So you will get a wrapper which will be, you'll be using it for your blood pressure monitoring. You'll be getting 4 cells, so as there are 4 cells, so you can easily identify like how many volts the machine run for. So we, as we are already using these cells from a very long period of time, so each cell goes for 1.5 volt, so 1.5 and 1.53 and 336. So this machine will be working on the 6 volts DC. So if this machine is working on a cells, then definitely this machine is also having an option. So this is how this machine looks like. There is a start and stop, and as I said, it works on like somewhere it might be having a so DC 6 volt we have as an option. So you can even plug it with a DC 6 volt and this machine will work on that fact as well. So I will tell you what are the things are here is it is powered by Intense Intelligence. That is what the company says, and what does it mean I will also tell you, and what are all the things which you can measure with this. So firstly we'll start with this is the kind of a technology which the company has been using, and it is systolic diastolic pressure monitoring. And as you know, we have in the blood pressure we have systolic diastolic. It will also give you some pulse regarding the pulse, what are the pulses currently you are having. Also this thing will have a last memory, so this particular machine will also have a last memory, like who was the last person you did a checkup on. Also this has a body movement detection and the hypertension indicator, and a cutoff warning that is also mentioned in this particular machine. So why I know all about this is I have read the manual very carefully, and I read that all the things what are all required. So as you can see, my hand is this big and this machine is this big. It is really small machine. As you can see at the back, you have an options to put up the cells. So these are the place where you can put up the cells, or you can plug it up here, right here with a 6 volt. So I will just add up the cells here like this. So manually you have to add one by one. And in this, definitely there is one more advantage to this, that I'm currently using a Duracell batteries. So I think where it is mentioned here. Okay, so this kind of a batteries, if you use, it will last you for a very long period of time, to be very honest. And whenever you are not using these applications, make sure you take out these batteries out, and you keep them aside, and whenever you require you just put them up. So it will be running for a very long period of time. So I will just put up the case again so that the batteries will not come out. And as you can see here, there are some things are mentioned. So it is applicable for different types of HEMs, but here as you can see it is for 7120, so you can add up for that. But what does this hole works is basically it pumps the air. So this hole will pump the air, and this particular option which is given for this particular hose, which will will be wrapped around the wrapper, which is called you can put this thing on this particular side and you are good to go. Okay, so basically what you need to do is you just now need to just wrap it around on your either on your hand or wheresoever, and you can measure your blood pressure. Now in this, what are the things that the machine tells us? And so this is the basically start and stop options. So if I put up a start option, the machine will start pumping the air in this, and it will sound like this. Why the machine is not pumping the air? Do you know any reason? Yes, I will tell you. There is no pressure which is inbuilt in this particular wrap, so that is why the machine is not pumping any air. If I put my hand across this and put it like this, then there will be a pressure which is being maintained, and then you see. Oh, it stopped. So it stopped. Okay, it's showing some error. Let me start it again. Okay, it's not working, maybe so if I put my hand over here, it is detecting something, and if I release it, it will detect the error because there is no hand which is being detected. So that is how this machine works. I hope you know about the systolic and the diastolic pressure. If you don't know about it, I'll give you a link in the description where you can go and check it out, what are different pressure monitoring and what are all the things which this machine monitors. So I'll also be dropping all the things what this machine does in the description. Make sure you go and watch that so that you will have a basic understanding. And definitely guys, for a blood pressure measuring, if you even don't have a patient at your home for blood pressure, sometimes what happens is that we might be feeling not good, or we might be feeling a little low. At that point of time, you can just go to this machine and measure your BP, whether it is even low, because when you are having a low BP, you might have a similar feeling like being of feeling like a low, and your head, you might have a headache or something like that. So it is a good machine to have. Even the oxygen sensor, that another one which we have, is also a good thing to have at home. So that's all about this particular machine. And if you like the video, don't forget to give us a like button. If you have any reviews regarding this machine, don't forget to give us a comment. Don't forget to give the particular reason, what are the things you think, like why owning this machine and whatsoever, in the comment box, and I'll be happy to reply to you. And do subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.